now 3 o'clock? 3:25. There's the dirt that I put down at 8 o'clock this morning. Where is all this runoff? It's still here. It's 7 hours of rain. It hasn't stopped raining yet. The road pitches to the left, that way. It doesn't even come down this way. Let's go back across the street again. 7 hours of rain later. I'm sorry, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 7 hours. Hasn't stopped raining in 7 hours. Look at that. There's all our major water runoff that this pipe's supposed to hold. There is none. There's the sign. There's the electrical box. There's the stop sign at Smith Farm. That's Smith Farm toward Independence. Where is all of this runoff? I don't see it.